Welcome to Conspiracies. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hello, and welcome to the last and final episode of Conspiracies, the podcast where we explain and debate popular conspiracies over the internet. I'm Sarah Sabatier.
I'm Ken.
I'm Joshua.
I'm Lisana, and in today's episode, we'll talk about the flat earth theory.
So, the flat earth theory is pretty self-explanatory. It's the belief that the earth is a huge flat disk.
This theory is widely believed by many people who full-heartedly support the idea of the earth being flat.
So, we all believe that the earth is round, right? Like, we don't think it's flat?
I'd say, yeah.
No, not really.
Really?
I do believe, Joshua and I, we believe that the earth is flat. Because it doesn't make sense that it's round.
There's pictures. How can you not believe that it's not
But
round?
the government might be faking it, and all of it can be, literally
No,
fake.
You're literally... Okay, think about it. Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, many
Don't
times.
you see it, around? Don't you see it?
You cannot
curving
see
a little
it.
bit?
You cannot see it.
Okay, so guys, let's see it this way. When you're standing at sea level, looking out over the ocean or driving on a float road, everything seems level, right? So
I
how
guess.
do you explain that?
Well, when you're
Yeah.
standing still, you can literally see the clouds are moving, and you're not moving. You're standing still. The clouds are moving because the Earth is revolving around the sun, and we're rotating.
But we can, the sun can be rotating around us.
It's not.
We're the center of the universe.
Exactly.
We literally, we have our moon and the sun, and it is revolving around us. It doesn't make sense that
But it doesn't. Wait.
that
But why?
we revolve around them.
But why would we be the only flat place? Because we can see the moon, and we can clearly see the moon is round.
Right, and the other planets, they're round as well. So why would we be the only ones that are flat? That
Why would
doesn't
we
make
be the
sense.
exception?
So how do you know there are other planets? Do you really think that scientists are legitimate?
Yes, astronauts go on the moon. They go see the other planets. There are literally pictures of them.
But
Have you seen it with your own eyes though?
Well, no, but how would I be able to?
exactly, you
What
cannot see it with your own eyes.
Well, what if we're living in a lie?
Okay, why do you think we have a night and day? Why do you think we have different seasons?
There are different seasons because the sun revolves around us. You don't understand that?
Okay, the direct sunlight hits one hemisphere in certain seasons, right? So right now we're in December and it's cold, okay? The sun is facing away from us and it's facing the other hemisphere. And in July, it's hot because the sun is facing us. So explain that. I don't know what you're talking about.
But the sun is revolving around us because we are on the ice wall around the Antarctica is around the whole world. That's why it's flat. You don't understand that?
But the thing
Really?
is, literally light too, because they did this experiment a while back where they shined a light through two holes, and because of the Earth's curvature, it only shined through one hole, but they didn't reach the other one, and it was a flat surface, flat. But because of the Earth's curvature, the light just went through one hole and hit the back of the other wall and didn't go directly through the hole, even though it was a flat surface. So that basically proves that the Earth is a round shape.
You're talking about a theory that was made by a scientist, right?
Yeah.
So you don't actually know that.
Mhm.
What if scientists are misleading us?
Wait, what is the reason to lie? Why would they lie?
Because they're been lying our whole lives.
Do you think you're fake? Do you think we live in a simulation? This is real. Why would we lie to
We
right
could
now?
be living in a matrix.
Why not live in a simulation? What if billionaires or people with a lot of power want us to think this way? They do whatever they want, and it's basically to control the population
Exactly.
to think that way.
So you're telling me the earth is flat and people are lying to us because they're rich?
Yes, because
Exactly.
money controls the whole world.
But why
We
would
can-
they lie about this? Why this?
Because it's
specifically?
literally so obvious. We cannot prove that. That's why another thing, we cannot go to Antarctica because it's literally prohibited.
Whatever shape you may think the Earth may be, it is undeniably a beautiful place. And with today's sponsor, Luna Airlines, you can experience the wonder this world has to offer. From the Great Pyramid of Giza to the rushing waters of the massive Niagara Falls, with Luna Airlines you can visit your dream destination and more. And with our link below, you get 35% off your first flight, plus 14,000 miles. Huge thank you to the Luna Corporation for sponsoring this series, and enjoy this final episode.
The thing is, like, there is so much evidence that the Earth is round. Pictures, scientific data, videos. We've been to space. We've seen Earth from space. I mean, there's so much evidence that at some point, like, you have to believe in it. Like, there's no other way.
It could be all fake. Like,
I get that you say that, but like,
even the Bible supports that the earth is flat. On Genesis 6-8, it explains the earth like it's just a chunk of soil just floating around, and that makes sense. That literally makes sense.
It does not make sense.
Yes, because we have day and night. So it revolves around us, and even the Bible, God says that it's flat.
Where's the proof, guys? We that was so many years ago. There was no technology to prove that. Like, it really doesn't make that much sense to me, because we have all the technology and we have proved that the Earth is literally round. It's spherical.
You basically tell me that you support scientists, right?
I do support scientists because it's true.
So why do they hide these things like Area 51?
They literally hide Antarctica. Like, it doesn't make sense.
they probably do it to hide stuff from other nations and stuff. But I guess we can't really say what reason they really do it for, because none of us work for the government. I guess everybody has their own beliefs. We believe that the earth is round. You guys believe that the earth is flat.
Because it is.
Well, that's what you believe. But at the end of the day, we can't really say unless we experience it for ourselves.
Exactly.
I mean, it could be flat. You guys could be totally right and we could be wrong, but we're right. But we're not here to say and what you guys need to believe or tell you what to believe in. This is all just debating and talking about our different beliefs. This has been the last and final episode of Conspiracists. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini-series, this 3-part series, and we hope you're there for any new projects we make.
Thank you for listening to us and supporting us always, but we have to move on to bigger projects, and I'm so grateful for all of you.
Thank you for watching.